Imagine your favorite pair of socks disappearing into the abyss of your laundry pile, only to never be seen again. Annoying, right? Now imagine if the stuff that makes up everything you see, touch, and feel, a vast chunk of the universe, pulled the same disappearing act. How could that be? Let's break it down. Scientists, those ace detectives of the cosmos, tell us that the universe is made up of matter. You, me, the chair you're sitting in, the device you're reading this on, all of it is matter. But according to our best theories, there's a lot more matter out there than we can see or detect. This missing matter is called baryonic matter, or baryons for short. It's like an enormous cosmic game of hide and seek, with baryons as the elusive quarry. Fritz Zwicky, a Swiss astronomer, back in the 1930s, was the first to notice that something was off when he observed galaxies in the Coma cluster, moving at speeds that suggested there was more mass present than could be accounted for. Thus, the mystery of the missing baryons was born. As you settle into this thought, you may notice your eyes growing a little heavier, your mind drifting along with the galaxies in the cosmic ocean. But here's the crux. The missing baryons aren't simply an academic curiosity, a puzzle for astrophysicists to ponder over their morning coffee. The stakes are high. If we can't find these elusive baryons, it means our current understanding of the universe, our theories and models, might be fundamentally flawed. It's like trying to put together a jigsaw puzzle, but you're not sure if you even have all the pieces. Can you imagine the frustration, the tension, the sheer existential angst in the scientific community? It's the sock in the laundry all over again, but multiplied by 1 billion and with profound implications for our understanding of the universe. So as your attention continues to drift and your breathing slows, consider this. What if we, in our everyday lives, mirror this cosmic mystery? What if we too are missing parts of our own puzzle, parts of ourselves that we've misplaced, forgotten, or are yet to discover? It's a thought that can make your mind spin, almost as if you're spiraling in a galaxy far, far away. But in this spinning, in this spiraling, there's also a sense of comfort, of connection to the vast, mysterious cosmos. In the end, the story of the missing baryons is a reminder of our place in the universe. It's a call to curiosity, to the pursuit of truth, no matter how elusive. It's a testament to our collective journey of discovery, a journey that's as much about understanding the universe as it is about understanding ourselves. As your eyes grow heavier still and your mind sinks deeper into the cosmic mysteries, remember this. Each of us, like the universe, is a puzzle to be solved, with missing pieces waiting to be found. And in that search, in that discovery, we find not just answers, but also a deeper, more restorative peace. So as your attention drifts off and your breathing slows, remember the missing baryons. Let their story lull you into a deep, peaceful sleep, filled with dreams of distant galaxies and hidden cosmic truths. And who knows, maybe in the morning you'll find that missing sock